Yeah, man, Border Cat in a place and the whole team. You see me?
Prince Abbas, you don't know everything going on. Yeah, man, every day, you know.
You know what I mean?
Respect, man. Big up yourself, man. Large up, Brother Brooksy. You hear that? Yes, man. Up and run.
Yeah, man, oneness, brother. Real Border Cat out there with the team, them, you know?
You don't know. Blue Lagoon
With the
tours.
fans and the visitor, them, you see me, I say people just go and take care, same way. We always there phone on my sword, and I watch no face in a man, and sometimes I saw we have to bluff to make the words them come in. And the people them get the fullness of Border Cat here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I like we are easy not to cracking up, but we're not tough like that.
That's true, man.
That's what I say, brother. Real talk.
Don't
Here.
remember, you know, big up Sika Pure too, you know. You see me?
Every time.
Anyway, the Sika Pure, big up yourself, you know. We don't know a thing go. You couldn't make it today, but I say a thing go. You see me?
Yes,
Enough
sir.
respect.
Genuine.
One team here.
Yes, no, man.
Yeah, man.
Still in our business, same way, you know. One life, we say, man. Every time, brother, them. One
Every
life, we
time.
say, here. Yeah.